this video, I will demonstrate how to use a steel tape measure correctly to achieve accurate and reliable measurements. A steel tape measure includes both metric and imperial units. The larger number indicate centimeters or inches, while the smaller lines represent millimeters or fractional divisions. Understanding these markings is important for reading measurements clearly and avoiding confusion. To begin the process, the tape measure is held firmly in the hand with the markings facing upward. A stable grip allows the tape to extend smoothly, and keeping the lock button accessible ensures full control over the tool during the measurement process. When measuring an object from its outer edge, the metal hook at the end of the tape is positioned so that it catches securely on the corner or surface. This hook is designed with slight movement to compensate for its own thickness, helping maintain measurement accuracy. The tape is then extended along the object while maintaining enough tension to keep the blade straight. Once the tape reaches the required length, the locking mechanism is engaged to hold it in place. Locking the blade prevents it from retracting and allows time to observe and confirm the reading without movement. The measurement is read at the exact point where the edge of the object meets the scale on the tape. The reading must be taken directly above the marking to avoid parallax error. For inside measurements, such as between two walls, the case of the tape measure is placed against one surface. The length of the case printed on the body is then added to the tape reading to obtain the final measurement. This method allows accurate results even without using the hook. To ensure the measurement is correct, the process is repeated or the tape is re-extended to the same point. Verifying the result helps detect any mistakes caused by slipping, bending, misreading the measurement lines. That's all. I hope you learned something. Thank you.